Where do you turn when it's time to renovate your home? A trusted family-run business with a long track record of success sounds like the team for the job. Meet the fine folks at Walker Properties Remodeling and Construction.
Walker Properties Remodeling and Construction is a family-owned business, and of course we specialize in residential construction, which entails a lot of additions that we do and full home remodels for clients. Typically in Dallas area, we've got a lot of 1960s, 1970s homes. So, clients will love their neighborhoods. They love the style of their home. They just want to update it. So they want to expand on it because a lot of the square footages on the regular home may be in the 2,000 to 3,000 square foot range, but they need to add maybe 2,000 to 3,000 square feet to their home to make it more functional for their families as they grow.
Walker Properties Remodeling and Construction are top experts in residential construction.
We are best at custom home additions, full home transformations, taking an outdated home and updating it, making it absolutely gorgeous. It becomes a place where they're happy to host their family and friends for social gatherings. They're proud of their home. It takes what they've been envisioning and makes it a reality. It comes to life and becomes a place they're proud to live in.
I grew up in the home building business. So my dad owned a home building company. So at a very young age, he had me in the summers at the projects. And he would say, hey, Joshua, clean out the sheetrock on the inside and the brick on the outside, and I'll buy you a cheeseburger. And I'd quickly say, hey, make it double meat, double cheese, and I'll do it. But as I got older, he'd have me framing houses with his framing crews. So I understood firsthand, what it was like to do construction with my own hands. Then, of course, went off to architecture school. Got an architecture degree at the University of Texas at Arlington. One of the benefits that I recognized later on was that a lot of the professors, they worked in the DFW market. So they told us the reality of construction and architecture, which gave us a good head start as we entered in the real marketplace.
With bespoke solutions and top technical talent, Walker Properties Remodeling and Construction has carved out a successful niche in the region. And clients have noticed.
Clients trust us because they know that we care about them. They know that we have their best interests in mind. They also know that we're not just trying to speed along and move on to the next. They know that we care about them and we care about their families. We care about the end product. We've been doing this for over 10 years now, and we have a good word-of-mouth reputation as a result of our caring about our clients and wanting to add value.
This family was buying their house here in North Texas, and they moved here from Virginia. And then last year, I believe it was last February, there was a really severe freeze here in North Texas, and they weren't in the home yet, and the water pipe broke in the attic, flooding their home. Unfortunately for them, when they got to Texas, they found that their house was flooded. So they had to essentially gut their first floor. It's a large home, and we've just rebuilt it for them, and it's given them an opportunity to update it to the style that they like. But we've given them back a beautiful, nice home that they can live in and enjoy.
And we're very, very proud of this project and very happy for the clients.
The reason we love the business is because we get to create and build things and make people's lives better because they have a nice, beautiful, clean space for their family to enjoy. We love the beauty of the work that we do. We love the satisfaction of trying to make people happy about the outcome of the work. We want to hit the details, and that's the hardest part of the project, is at the end coming through and hitting all the details so that we can wrap it up and say, job well done.
To find out more about Walker Properties Remodeling and Construction, visit walkerpropertiestx.com and designingspaces.tv.